Hi, my name is Fahmi and I am going to briefly tell you about chemical preservatives and why pH is important.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Arina Amirah Binti Rahim and I am going to explain about types of preservatives used in chili slurry.
Hi guys, my name is Aqif and I would like to talk about the effectiveness of preservative and also durability of product.
Hi, my name is Zahri and I'm in charge of the criteria of chemical preservative, and I'm going to show you a little bonus of tutorial of chili syrup at the end of this video.
Chemical preservatives are chemical substances added to food to slow down or prevent microbial growth. Preservatives play an important role in protecting food from spoilage and contaminants while also keeping us safe from getting foodborne illnesses. Some of the examples you can see in the ingredients list of foods are benzoic acid, sorbic acid, ethanoic acid, sodium nitrite, TBHQ, BHT, and many more. pH is a measure of how acidic or alkaline something is. Microorganisms tend to thrive at a neutral pH of between 6.6 to 7.5, whereas most bacteria are inhibited at a pH of lower than 4. Although yeast and molds can also thrive at a lower pH. This technique might not kill all microbes, but it reduces the rate of spoilage and it does significantly reduces the risk of us getting foodborne illnesses, which we don't want.
There are two types of chemical preservatives used in chili slurry and its targeted microbes. The first one is sodium benzoate. It is used to extend the shelf life of processed food and beverages. It is commonly used in food with acidic pH to kill bacteria, yeast, and other microbes. The second one is calcium propionate. It is commercially used in bread and bakery products. It can be found in meat and dairy products. The targeted microbes of the preservatives include non-spore-forming bacteria, spore-forming bacteria, mold, and rope.
I would like to talk about the effectiveness of preservatives and also durability of the products. And the product is Chilli Slurry. The effects of sodium benzoate, potassium sorbate, sodium lactate and calcium propionate on the shelf life of chili slurry stored at room temperature were investigated. The results indicated that the use of sodium benzoate and potassium sorbate with the addition of acetic acid was able to preserve the chili slurry up to 10 weeks at room temperature, while sodium lactate and calcium propionate gave a storage life of 4 weeks and 2 days respectively. And this is the video that shows about are the food preservatives bad for us or not.
So should you be worried about preservatives? Well, they're usually near the end of the ingredients list because they're used in very small amounts, determined by the FDA to be safe. Nevertheless, some consumers and companies are trying to find alternatives. Packaging tricks, like reducing the oxygen around the food, can help. But without some kind of chemical assistance, there are very few foods that can stay shelf-stable for long.
Criteria of chemical preservative. So firstly, we need to make sure it is in low concentration to make the food unacceptable for the growth of microflora. And secondly, it should be harmless to the human. And thirdly, it should be free from officially banned deleterious admixture and impurities. And lastly, it should not impart color, taste, flavor to the food product.
Now is tutorial of chili syrup. So first we had chilies, sugar, vinegar, and also a beaker. So firstly, you need to add up all the chilies into the beaker. Then add 1 tablespoon of sugar or up to taste. Next, add up some vinegar until it fully covered all the chilies. Once it's done, you need to store it in the fridge up to 2 hours, and then after it, you can consume it later. So, Good luck!